Use a bike repair stand. Owning a bicycle is particularly advantageous in today's time. You could go around places without the worry of consuming any gasoline at all. Inasmuch as you are cutting up on your expenses, you are saving the environment from pollution as well. Indeed, bicycles are good alternatives to bulky and environment-threatening automobiles. However, like any other equipment or tool, bicycles do undergo the process of wear and tear. They are not exempt from the process of repair and maintenance. Also, similar to other vehicles, the cost of repairing your bike is rather expensive. One good investment when you want to repair and maintain the good condition of your bicycle is the bike repair stand. It is actually a tool that makes your work easier and a whole lot faster. Here are some tips on how to use a bike repair stand. Choose the particular type of bike repair stand that you would want to use. There are a lot of choices for bike repair stands on the market. These choices differ in terms of stability, portability, and usefulness. Choose the style that suits you best. Do not readily settle for cheaper ones, for they may sometimes pose a threat or danger to your safety and health. Locate your working area. Look for an area where you could freely use the bike repair stand to fix your vehicle. There should be no distractions as well as obstructions when you are using the bike repair stand in order to minimize the occurrence of unfortunate accidents. Do not work on a wet environment, for this would make it hard for you to use tools that are particularly vulnerable to moisture. Construct your repair stand. Carefully spread the legs of your bike repair stand into their working positions. Some equipment would have collapsible legs for easier storage, while others would have bulky and heavy legs for enhanced stability and support. Establish the clamp. Most bike repair stands are equipped with clamps to hold the bike at a fixed position while you do the repairs. Be careful not to clamp your bicycle by its frame, for this could lead to further damage. If possible, clamp your bike from the seat tube. Rotate the bike as you wish. Most bike repair stands have levers that make your bike turn for a full 360 degrees. Simply loosen the lever to rotate your bike and locate the most comfortable position where you can do your repairs. After you have located that particular position, tighten the knob to fix your bike at that certain spot. Put out the tool tray. Bike repair stands are set with tool trays where you could put your repair tools and other necessary materials when fixing your bicycle. The tool tray could practically hold anything from rounded lubricant bottles to little screwdrivers. It is specifically created for you to locate your tools easier, thus conserving a lot of energy and time. The bike repair stand is truly worth investing money on. With the above steps and the correct set of equipment, you can easily repair and maintain your own bike.